sana. Yun nga, no, yung nangyari, last 2 games, we had really good starts, pero nagko-collapse kami nung second quarter. No? We were able to hold on in this game and maintain control of the whole game. So, before we came out of the locker room, sinabi ko lang, unburden ourselves of the losing streak. Huwag natin isipin yung losing streak. Isipin lang natin, mag-compete lang tayo. We can win at our best. If we're competing at our best, that's really the time that we win. But yung mga last games namin, pagka nawalan kami ng focus, dun bumabagsak yung laro namin. So, ang objective lang namin today is really keep our focus, just compete. At the end of the game, we go back to the locker room. If we competed well, we would have won the game. If we did not compete well, talo tayo. Ganun lang kasimple yung usapan namin.
Thank you, Coach. Now, in dun sa back-to-back losses, isa ka dun sa, sabi mo, napapagalitan yung coaching because of your decision-making. You were missing easy layups, but this game, you were able to redeem yourselves. Ang ganda ng pinakita mo. If you share mo lang sa amin, how much you really prepared and want to, yung focus for this game para makabawi na?
Umpisa pa lang wala na akong ibang inisip kundi yung makabawi eh. Hindi man sa shoot, yung sa mga rebound, yun sa mga... Siyempre sa tulong din ng mga teammate ko, kaya nakuha ko itong yung player of the game. Wala naman ako ibang iniisip eh, kundi lang talaga, makatulong lang sa team.
Pinakita na natin kanina, yung isa nga sa mga panata na yearly nagpa-participate ka, yung lakbayaw, yung lakbay habang sumasayaw. And sabi mo nga, ang konsepto nun is yung hiling mo, isasayaw mo. And it's gonna be happening this weekend. Tinanong kita kanina kung may wish ka na. At ito na nga yung sample mo kanina. But share mo lang sa amin, how important is it for you, yung mga ganitong paniniwala, and to try your best to attend this tradition every year?
Kasi 2016 na ako nag-start niyan eh. Yung mga kaibigan ko, meron kaming nun, lakbayaw. So habang naglalakbay kayo, sumasayaw ko. Yung Santo Niño kagaya sa Cebu. Yung sa Cebu, di ba merong sinulog? Yun yung sa amin sa Tondo. So yun, hiling mo, isayaw mo. Yun lang yung
Naisip
every year.
Yung isasayaw at hiling mo?
Wala pa, sa Sabado pa yun.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, with the way you beat Northport tonight, uptakes up in the standings, would that bode well going to your another big game against Panay?
Of course, no? Malaking tulong to arrest a losing skid is really a morale booster. And we need a lot of that, especially going to our game against Ginebra. Maganda sa amin, may 6-day break kami. So, we can take a little break, recover, prepare. We have enough time to prepare for the Ginebra game. And try to see how far this takes us. Sabi ko nga, naka-6 na panalo kami. 7 hinahabol namin. Para siguradong nasa quarters ka. At makaiwas ka rin sa 7 and 8. So yung Ginebra game namin, yun yung pang-7 panalo namin. Kung sakali. Kung kakayanin. Pero subukan natin. Ganda rin ang nilalaro ng Ginebra. Pero ako naman, ang laki ng tiwala ko dito sa team namin. As long as, sabi ko, as long as we're competing, we should be okay. Yung last 2 games namin, medyo half-hearted yung pag-compete namin. Hindi kami kasing diin, hindi kami kasing determinado. Siguro nakakabuti rin yung may losing streak ka. It's a wake-up call, it's a way to reset your mindset. So, nakabuti rin sa amin.
Coach, how do you like yung play niya sa defense? defense kasi there were some points na kung di lang naka 32 points yung Northport sa fourth, baka na less than 100 sila.
I think it was more of our defense tonight. Ang taas ng score namin, pero sa amin kasi mataas na score medyo normal sa pace namin. Tapos ang maganda pa rito, meron kaming 7 guys in double figures. So yun yung talagang nahabol namin, magbalanse yung opensa namin. Sa kabila kasi alam namin tatlong tao i-score doon. Import, si Monson at saka si Tolentino. Sabi namin kung mabawasan lang namin yon, tapos ma-hold namin yung locals nila na hindi makakontribute. Actually, medyo yun nga yung nangyari. Dominant lang yung import nila dahil nagka-foul trouble yung import din namin, kaya hirap na kaming pigilan, wala kaming pang match up. Pero nung na-control namin yung locals nila, medyo kontrolado din namin yung laro. Kasi yung si Monson nga at si Tolentino medyo siguro nahirapan din sa depensa namin.
Okay, that is it for our post-game
Thank you.
press conference.
Salamat.